Welcome to Alfonso Cajero, Power Query. Chapter 1. What is Power Query? Power Query is a data connection technology that enables users to discover, connect, combine, and refine data across a wide variety of sources to meet their analysis needs. Integrated within Excel and Power BI, Power Query allows users to perform data transformation tasks through a user-friendly interface, enabling complex data manipulations without requiring extensive programming knowledge. It supports connecting to numerous data sources, including databases, online services, files, and more, and provides tools for cleaning, merging, and shaping data to create a single coherent dataset for analysis. This streamlined process improves efficiency and accuracy in data preparation, making it a powerful tool for business analysts, data professionals, and anyone who needs to work with data regularly.